In this video, I will explain to you on periodic signals. A signal is said to be periodic if it repeats itself at a regular time interval. Let's say, for example, we have the signal xt, which is periodic, and we have the time interval delta t to be, let's say, 3 seconds. So if xt is periodic, then xt will be the same as xt plus 3, and it will also be the same as at xt plus 6. If we try to generalize the equation, we can write it as xt plus, let's say, n minus 1, 3, and that will be also the same as xt plus n 3. So if we replace the time interval 3 with capital T naught, okay, where T naught is the smallest value that fulfills this periodicity condition. Okay, so this T naught is called the fundamental period. Okay, T naught is called the fundamental period, and n is an integer. So if this signal is periodic, then we can rewrite that to be xt is equals to xt plus n T naught, where T naught is the fundamental period and n is an integer. So if a signal fulfills this condition, then we can say that that signal is a periodic signal. Let's look at an example, the sine function. When we look at the sine function, we see that sine theta has the value of 0 when theta is equals to 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, and so on. Multiples of pi values. The values of sine theta is the same, which is 0. We might think that the fundamental period of this signal is theta. Sorry, the fundamental signal is pi. Well, this is not true. We need to also check for other points along the signal to see if the period is actually pi. What I mean to say is that you can check that, take for example, we have the value of theta to be pi over 2. Now, we find that sine theta is equivalent to 1, but when theta is equivalent to pi over 2 plus pi, then we find that sine theta is not equals to 1. It is equals to minus 1. So, this proves that pi is not the fundamental period. So, when you look at the signals, then you see that the fundamental period is actually 2 pi. For every 2 pi values, okay, for every time interval of 2 pi, sine theta, the value of sine theta repeats itself. So that means if we check at point theta equivalent to pi over 2, then sine theta is 1. So when theta is equivalent to pi over 2 plus 2 pi, the value is also 1. And when theta is equivalent to pi over 2 plus 4 pi, sine theta is also 1. So this shows that the value of sine theta repeats itself at every 2 pi. Yeah. So we have n 2 pi. So the fundamental period T naught is 2 pi. Okay.